Are you tired of banks telling you no, but your business idea is screaming yes?
Okay, what if I told you there's a credit union that can help you get up to $50,000 in personal funding, even if you don't have a big government job or a six-figure salary?
And guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about credit cards, personal loans, lines of credit, auto loans, home equity, even mortgages, all under one roof.
Okay, money magnets. In this video, we're going to show you how to actually join Andrew's Federal Credit Union, how to position yourself, and how to use their products strategically to fund your life and your business.
So if you've ever wondered, how do I get real funding without playing games with the big banks? Look, stay locked in on this video.
Okay, but before we dive in, go ahead and hit that like, share this video with another entrepreneur, make sure you subscribe, and in the comments, type ready if you're ready for funding in 2026.
All right, but let's be clear. This video is for three types of people.
Okay, money magnets. Number one, you got a business or you're about to start one, but your great personal credit is the bridge to get you funded.
All right, number two, you tired of low limit credit cards like 500,
Yes.
1,000, 1,500, and you ready to get some grown up limits. I'm telling you, this is it, guys.
Okay, number three, Marvin, okay? You want relationship banking,
Right.
okay? Not just a random card, but a credit union that can grow with you.
Right.
Auto loans, home equity, lines of credit, and eventually a mortgage.
And if that's you, type "that's me" in the comments. And don't forget, guys, like this video because you know what it does for YouTube? It pushes it to more people who actually need it.
Okay, but let's start with the membership, Marvin.
Yeah.
Everybody is always asking us, Gloria and Marvin, can I even join Andrews? I'm not in the military.
Yeah, but look, guys, that's the secret. You don't have to be in the military. There are multiple ways for you guys to get in besides that.
Okay, number one, if you live, work, worship, or go to school in certain areas like part of Maryland, DC, Virginia, even New Jersey, you're eligible.
All right, number two, they got employer groups and associations. Some people qualify through that way if they work for some of these companies. Check the eligibility section on their website.
But here's the big key. They allow you to join through an affiliate organization like the American Consumer Council.
Right.
Even if you don't have the other ties, guess what? They're your backdoor in.
Right, so look, here's your action step. Go
Yes.
to Andrew Federal Credit Union's website, start the application, and when they ask you how are you eligible, look for the association route with the American Consumer Council.
And once you open that savings account, now you're in the system, money magnets.
Yeah.
You're not just a stranger asking for money.
Right.
You're a member building a relationship.
Now let's talk about the fun stuff, guys. I know all of you
Yes.
guys, or most of you guys that hit us up in the comments, let's talk about those credit cards that they have.
Okay, now let's talk about it, Marvin, because Andrew has personal cards like their Titanium Rewards Visa that can go all the way up to $50,000 limits depending on your credit profile, though.
Now, here's what we love. It's a Visa signature style card, no annual fee, and they can be very generous with your credit limits if your credit is structured right. Make sure you got your utilization under control, no lates, and make sure you have a solid income.
Okay, now money magnets, I want you to think of this card as your everyday workhorse, okay?
Right.
You use it for your life and some business related expenses, but you make sure you use it responsibly.
Now let's talk about strategy. Start with the card first. It's usually easier to get approved for a credit card than a big personal loan right out the gate, especially when you're new to the credit union.
Okay, remember when you apply, make sure all your data lines are up.
Yeah.
Income, employment, address, no funny business, money magnets.
Right.
That's how you trigger higher limits.
All right, if you're getting value already, guys, hit that like button and drop the comment ready so we know who's serious about listening to these videos and learning what to do next.
Okay, Marvin. Now let's move over to the personal loans. This is where a lot of you perk up and ask, Gloria, can I really get a $50,000 personal loan?
Look, Andrews actually advertised personal loans on their website to go up to $50,000 with fixed terms, often for several years. And you know what that means? That means a predictable monthly payment, and they'll give you the line of credit also.
Okay, now this is perfect if you need actual cash for bigger moves.
Right.
In 2026, I know you need that, paying off high interest credit cards,
right,
investing in your business, you know, getting new equipment,
right,
marketing, or even consolidating some debt.
But here's what most people don't understand. You don't usually start with $50,000 day one. You got to make sure that your profile is good and your relationship is solid with the credit union. And sometimes you have to stair step your way up.
So what Marvin is saying, if you're brand new to them, your first loan might be $10K, $15K, $20K. Pay it on time, build trust, then come back and go bigger.
Look, and remember this. This is your personal credit. Don't treat it like free money. Treat it like a tool that can move you up from where you are to where you need to go. Now, if you're listening to this and you're thinking, Marvin, I don't even know how to structure this. Should I start with the card, the loan? How do I use this to get more business funding? That's exactly why Gloria and I do free business strategy calls if you got a 700 credit score.
Okay, so Marvin, what we do is we look at your credit, your business situation, and help you map out a game plan. So you're not just randomly applying and getting denied.
And when you're ready to set up a free business strategy call, we're going to pin a comment on this video, so look for that link.
Okay, and what we're saying is don't wait until you made 5 mistakes to talk to us before you start pushing all of these applications. Now, let's talk about something most people ignore. Personal lines of credit.
You know, the thing about a line of credit is different from a loan. With the loan, you get a lump sum. With the line of credit, you get a maximum limit and you only pay interest on what you actually use. But remember, they will ask for documents for lines of credit and sometimes loans. So I would make sure I got my pay stubs ready in case they ask for it.
That flexibility is powerful. You might get approved for, say, 10 to 20,000 and only use it when an emergency or opportunity pop up. That's perfect.
Think of it as a just in case money, not just because money. Totally different.
Most definitely. But if your credit is strong and your relationship with Andrews is building, ask about a personal line of credit as a backup to your credit card or a loan.
All right, let's change gears. Next up, we're going to talk about auto loans. Look, some of you are probably paying 14, 18, or even 23% interest at some of these car lots when you go get financing.
Most definitely. But Andrews can offer competitive auto loan rates, especially if you have decent credit and a strong relationship.
So you can either finance a new car through them or you can refinance an existing loan that's killing your cash flow.
Think about it, money magnets. Lowering that auto payment by $100 or $200 a month, that's money that you can redirect into your business or pay down some other debt.
Yeah, and again, this is why we love credit unions. Once you're in, it's so many different products that you can choose from.
Now, we're getting into the big boy and big girl money, home equity loans.
Yeah, if you own a home and you've built up equity, Andrews can help you tap into some of that value of your home equity loan or a home equity line of credit, and that can really help you consolidate debt or start a business.
Now, let's talk about the difference. A home equity loan is usually a fixed amount, fixed rate. A HELOC is more like a revolving line of credit that's tied to your house. So keep that in mind.
And these are not beginner tools. Look, for some of you using a portion of your home equity at a lower rate, you can pay off 20% credit cards. You know, I'm talking about the interest, or you can invest in a proven business strategy that can be life-changing.
Okay, money magnets, you must respect this money, okay? Defaulting here doesn't just hurt your credit. Your home is on the line, so this is where the strategy matters the most.
And finally, mortgages. Andrews offers traditional home loans for first-time home buyers. Or for some of you, you know, that could be your first-time home buyer, or you could be a second home buyer, and they got some great programs.
Okay, imagine this, Marvin. You start with the credit card, build trust, move into a personal loan, maybe finance a vehicle, and a couple of years later, you're sitting down with them for a home loan. That right there is powerful.
And that's how you use a relationship bank or credit union. You go from being a renter to a homeowner, from an employee to an entrepreneur, from surviving to actually building wealth, guys. It's a big difference.
Most definitely. And that's when a lender sees that you've handled smaller products responsibly.
Exactly.
That track record can help you on the bigger, the bigger money that you ask for.
And if you want us to make a video about their business products, look, drop a comment below because they got a lot. And if you're listening to this and thinking, I need a roadmap, I don't want to guess my way through this. Look, that's your sign. Book that free business strategy call. Yeah.
Call us if you have a 700 credit score. We'll help you figure out how to design a bigger funding plan.
Now, if this video has helped you, do us a huge favor. Hit that like and share button, at least with one friend who's serious about personal or business funding. And make sure you're subscribed with the notifications on because we drop videos every week.
Okay. And in the comments, type ready if you're ready to start building a real relationship with the credit union that can grow with you into $50,000 in a personal funding and beyond.
Look, banks tell stories.
Most definitely.
Credit bureaus tell stories, but your behavior writes your own life story.
Okay, Money Magnets, what you want to do is use Andrews Federal Credit Union as a tool, not a crutch. Start small. Be consistent and let your profile qualify you for those bigger limits.
Exactly. And we're going to be bringing you guys these hidden gem lenders, but it's your job to take action and actually make this real. Remember, for the best results, I need you guys to remove all the freezes and fraud alerts on your credit bureaus.
Okay, hold up, because I have a gem.
All right, what you got, Glo?
Okay, Money Magnets, I'm sure you want to know how to liquidate your credit cards into cash money. So check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.